If you've ever wrestled with a stubborn can lid while dinner's halfway done, you know how frustrating and honestly unsafe that can be. Sore hands, sharp edges, metal shavings. It's not exactly the relaxing cooking experience most of us are going for. That's where the Kitchen Mama Orbit 1 stainless steel rechargeable electric can opener steps in. The Kitchen Mama Orbit 1 is designed for anyone who wants meal prep to feel easier and safer, especially seniors, people with arthritis, or anyone who's just tired of squeezing a manual can opener. It's a hands-free, rechargeable electric can opener that promises smooth edges, automatic shutoff, and enough battery life to handle well over 100 cans on a single charge. On paper, it sounds like a simple upgrade. In practice, it's surprisingly transformative for the right person. Let's start with the design. This isn't one of those bulky countertop machines that takes up half your cabinet. The Orbit 1 is compact, rounded, and finished in stainless steel that gives it a more premium, modern look than the typical plastic openers you see online. It feels solid in the hand without being heavy. The grip is ergonomic, and there's no awkward twisting or squeezing involved. You place it on top of the can, press the button, and it does the rest. That simplicity matters, especially for users with limited hand strength. The build quality feels reassuring. The blade mechanism is enclosed, so you're not exposed to sharp parts during use. It cuts along the side of the lid rather than straight down through the top, which means you're left with a smooth edge instead of something jagged. That small detail makes a big difference when you're reaching into a can for beans or soup. You're not worrying about slicing your finger open. One standout feature here is the USB-C charging. Instead of relying on disposable batteries that always seem to die at the worst time, this model has a 2,900 milliamp hours rechargeable battery. In real-world terms, that translates to opening over 150 cans on a single charge. For most households, that's months of use. And if you travel in an RV or go camping, being able to recharge with a standard USB-C cable is just practical. It feels more in line with modern kitchen tech. Performance is where this thing really proves its value. In testing on standard soup cans, larger tomato cans, and even soda and pop cans, it consistently locked onto the lid and worked its way around smoothly. It's not loud or aggressive. There's a gentle motor hum, but nothing disruptive. Once it finishes the full rotation, it automatically stops. That automatic shutoff is more useful than it sounds. You're not hovering over it, guessing when it's done. For larger, heavy-duty cans, think bulk ingredients or oversized fruit tins, it handled them without slipping. The dual-blade system seems to adjust well to different sizes. And importantly, it doesn't leave metal fragments behind. The contents stay untouched, which is exactly what you want. Cleaning is refreshingly low maintenance. Since it cuts from the side and doesn't dip into the food, there's very little residue. A quick wipe with a damp cloth is usually enough. It also comes with a storage solution that helps keep your drawer or cabinet organized, which is a small but thoughtful addition if you're trying to declutter your kitchen space. Now, let's talk about the trade-offs. This is more expensive than a basic manual can opener. If you're someone with strong hands who opens one can a week, you may not feel the need to upgrade. It's also not instant. It takes a few seconds to rotate around the lid. So if you're in a rush and used to ripping through cans manually, there's a slight adjustment period. It's also worth noting that while it handles most can sizes well, extremely dented or damaged cans can cause it to misalign. That's not unique to this model. Most electric openers struggle with that, but it's something to keep in mind. Compared to other rechargeable electric can openers in this price range, the Orbit 1 stands out for its battery life and USB-C charging. Many competitors still rely on AA batteries, which adds long-term cost and inconvenience. Some cheaper models also feel flimsier or leave sharper edges behind. On the other hand, larger countertop electric openers may be faster, but they're bulky and not nearly as portable. The Orbit 1 hits a sweet spot between power, portability, and modern design. Who is this perfect for? If you have arthritis, limited grip strength, or you're buying for an elderly parent who struggles with manual openers, this is a genuinely thoughtful upgrade. It's also great for anyone building a more accessible kitchen setup. If you cook often and open multiple cans a week, The convenience adds up quickly. If you rarely open cans and you're happy with your $10 manual opener, you probably don't need this. But for the right person, it removes friction from a task that shouldn't be difficult in the first place. If you want to make meal prep easier, or you're shopping for someone who could use a little help in the kitchen, check out the link in the description to see current pricing. If you found this review helpful, hit like, subscribe for more practical, research-backed reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.